To increase or decrease the video playback speed in your VLC Media Player. So hey guys, if you want to make your video go fast or slow in the VLC Media Player, then this video is for you. So the first thing we need to do is open up our video file into the VLC Media Player. So let us do this. So here you can see that I have opened this particular video file in my VLC Media Player. Now to control the playback speed, you need to first click onto this playback tab at the top of the VLC Media Player windows. Once you click onto the playback option, you will see this option of speed. Then from here, you can either choose to make the video faster, or then the second option is a faster fine option, which will basically increase the speed a little bit. And then there is the normal speed, that is at 1x, and then you have the slower speed, which is fine. That means it will slightly decrease the video speed. And then there is a more slower option. So either you can use these options to make the video go faster or slower. So for example, if I choose onto the faster option and then play it, you can see that now the video is going faster than the normal speed. Or alternatively, the shortcut key to control the media playback, which is a lot more easier, is to use the square brackets on your keyboard. So you can use the right square bracket to increase the speed. As you can see here, that I can use the right speed bracket to increase the speed of the content, and vice versa. I can also use the left square bracket to decrease the speed of this particular video. So if I want it to go slow motion, I can use the left square bracket, and if I want it to go at super fast speed, then I can use the right square bracket. So that's how easily you can control the playback of your VLC Media Player video. So if this video was any help to you, do make sure to give it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.